that the Earth stops for 42 seconds and then starts spinning at its normal speed. So let's get started. If the Earth stops spinning suddenly, the atmosphere will continue to spin. This means very high-speed winds, approximately 1,670 kilometers per hour, which is Earth's normal rotational velocity. The winds will also cause erosion to the Earth's crust. Also, a sudden stop of the spin will have a similar effect to when you press brakes on a moving car. You guessed it right. You and every other object on this Earth will fly with the speed of Earth's rotational velocity, which again is around 1,670 kilometers per hour. This is a very high speed, but not enough to launch the objects into space. So, no space trip for any of us. Bummer. Oh, and the Earth will become a perfect sphere because the disformity on the Earth is due to its rotation. This disformity is along the equator, and the oceans, as they are now, are due to this disformity. If there is no disformity and the Earth is in a perfect sphere, the oceans will redistribute, resulting in one massive supercontinent that circles the equator, and the North and South poles will become oceans. But since the Earth will stop spinning for only 42 seconds, the disformity will not completely disappear before the Earth starts spinning again. However, the effect will be enough to cause flooding. In fact, there will be a gigantic tsunami. But only for 42 seconds, after which the disformity will reappear and the flooding will retreat. And lastly, although not one of the more dangerous side effects, you will have a day that is 42 seconds longer. Well, that was it for this episode of What Would Happen Wednesday. If you liked it, please leave us a like and subscribe to us. Also, don't forget to leave in the comments what you'd like to see covered in the next What Would Happen Wednesday. As always, this is Chris, and I'll